What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be discussing about the various cards that is working currently for arbitrage in Nigeria, to be precise, and the cards that have stopped working in this country. So now, as we all know, the dollar limit has been reduced drastically, and there are some cards that have stopped working for arbitrage profits. So I'll be discussing everything in this video. Just pay a very good attention as I walk you guys through the process. So now, if this is the first time of you coming across my YouTube channel, don't hesitate to click on subscribe button right away and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video of this nature. So, and you can also do well to click on the Telegram group link in my description box to join my Telegram group, where we normally discuss about arbitrage updates before I come online here to make a video about the process of the arbitrage profits. And I would like also share a sound warning to you guys, please. Before I start this video, I would like to sound a very good warning to you guys. As you are joining my Telegram group, I think there are some scammers in this group. Please don't fall victim. I won't chat you first to request for money or to carry out any transaction. Take note of that. I won't chat you first, and again, I won't serve as escrow to any transaction. I don't serve as escrow. Please guys, stop falling victim and don't fall victim. If you are new to the Telegram group, don't fall victim, please guys. So take note of that. And I won't request for any money to teach you on how to start arbitraging in Nigeria. I already dropped a Kindle book in the group, and I also pinned it. I think this is a group, this is a book here. This is a particular book I'm talking about. You can also go through this book once you join my Telegram group, where I discuss about arbitrage in Nigeria. So now, I don't like to waste much time on this video. Let's dive direct into the video. The number one card I'll be discussing in today's video is Stanbic MasterCard. So we all know the limit has been reduced drastically. For those that made use of Stanbic MasterCard last month for arbitrage, we all know the limit is $15. So although towards the ending of last month, I was able to access just only $12 on the card. So now, you can make use of this card on Neteller, thereby sending from Neteller to Wise, then from a Wise to Binance. So if you don't know how to do it, you can comment down in the comment section or join the Telegram group and chat the guys there up, or you chat me up by requesting me to make a video on how to send from Wise to Binance Direct. But I think I already made a video about it before. I'll check. So if I've made a video about it, I'll be dropping in my description box there for you guys to watch. So now, after you send from Wise to Binance, you make a profit. Although the profit is kind of tangible, but it's manageable. So now, that'll be all for Stanbic MasterCard. So the next card I'll be discussing in today's video is UBA MasterCard. I made use of UBA MasterCard the last time on Mugo.com. I already made a video about Mugo.com. So although this card limit this card is not even working anymore. The UBA MasterCard is not even working anymore. It's already the dollar prepaid card that is working, and the limit on it on a daily basis is kind of like $10 and co. So if I may say, arbitrage is kind of, how like, not profitable at the moment. But that doesn't mean you dispose your card. In fact, this is the best time for you guys to go and get more cards, because the demand will be on the low. So you can go and get more cards, because I believe after this current situation that we are in, everything will be okay. We already experienced this kind of situation before, so it's repeating itself. So this Mugo, you can also register and verify it, because you can have access to different gift card on this platform. you can have access to different gift cards. You buy and you sell for profit. So the next card I will be discussing about today is Zenith Mastercard. I also make use of Zenith Mastercard on this platform, but Zenith Mastercard is no more working. The Naira card international spend limit is no more there currently as I'm talking to you guys. So have it at the back of your mind. If you are getting the card, you can just get it and keep it. Based on the demand will be low currently, so just get the card and keep it. Once it starts working, you benefit instead of you going to bank and start requesting at the time it will start working. So you can just get it and keep it. So UBA dollar prepaid card is working. So for those that want to spend internationally, like to purchase some things from AliExpress and co, you can make use of that card too. The other card that is also working now for Arbitrage, let me check again. So I've checked some other cards like Union Mastercard, Access Mastercard, and the Visa card, Standard Chartered Bank Visa card. So most of those card limits is no more there for now, but you can also get them ready too. So this is the best time for you to request for those cards now, because the demand will be on a low. And some other cards like what's it called, GT Mastercard too. Those ones that I don't think is working currently. So the best thing you can just do now is to get those cards ready against any time it starts working fine for Arbitrage. Yeah. So I don't like this video to be too long. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think there are some other unlimited arbitrage. This one is not card arbitrage, but what's it called, cardless arbitrage between Nigeria and Cameroon and between Nigeria and Ghana. If you care to know, join my Telegram group. I already shared it there before. Check the pinned message. I already shared how you can do it. But if you don't understand, you can also request for me to make a video in my comment section of this video. Then I'll make a video about it. So, and if you also want to learn about how to trade forex, I'll be dropping the Telegram group link in the description box also. You can also join the channel, that is the Telegram group channel, where I normally give signal, let's say once a day or twice a day sometimes. So because as arbitrage is not working, you can't depend on arbitrage. You can only get some capital from arbitrage, then you invest it in some other stuffs. So that's the best way. Don't depend on arbitrage alone. Like as for me now, I trade forex too. I was trading crypto, but I had to stop trading crypto. I prefer forex trading. So if you care to know more about the signal, you want to learn about how to trade forex, join the Telegram group. That's the forex signal group. I'll be doing some Zoom meeting with you guys, and I'll be showing you guys. Note guys, it's for free. I'm not requesting for any dime. You understand? It's for free. And I'm still working on the website, but for now the signals are for free. That'll be all for today's video. Please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop any video of this nature. And ensure to give this video a thumbs up, because as you are doing that, you are also helping the channel. Please ensure to give it a thumbs up. So that'll be all for today's video. I love you guys. Stay tuned.